everyone. So today I'm gonna do this makeup look. So without wasting any time, let's go to the intro. So first of all, I need to prime my eyelid. I'm gonna take this Pond's BB cream to prime my eyelid. Now to blend it out, I'm gonna use this 106 powder brush from Zoeva, and it is a round foundation brush. After this, I'm gonna use this Pond's BB cream, which is lighter than my shade, to highlight my under eyes. I'm taking this sponge to blend it properly. After blending, I'm gonna take some loose powder with this sponge to set it. I'm gonna take this big fluffy brush to blend out the powders. Now I'm taking this silver color Miss Rose shimmer highlighter with a fan brush from Zoeva to highlight my cheekbones. Today I'll be using this eyeshadow palette. I'm taking this red 2 shades with a concealer blending brush from Zoeva and taking those eyeshadows on my crease and blending it out. Now I am taking this peachy orangey shade with the same brush and blending it out over the red colors on the crease. I'm taking a flat brush from Zoeva and taking this black shadow on my lid. I'm taking this 227 Luxe Soft Definer brush from Zoeva. It is a fluffy brush. With this brush, I'm blending my crease and lid colors properly. Now I'm taking this shimmery red shade with my finger and tap it on my lid over the black shadow. Same Luxe Definer brush, I'm taking those red shades of my crease and smudging them under my lower lash line. I'm taking a point liner brush from Zoeva to smudge my lower lash line with that shimmery shade, and I'll be taking a crease brush from Zoeva to smudge out the black shadow in the lower lash line. I'm taking this Lakme eyeliner to define my upper lash line. I'm taking this Lakme 9 to 5 waterproof mascara to curl out my upper and lower lashes. Now I'll be using the same highlighter with a thin fluffy brush to highlight my brow bones.
The look is complete now.
I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up, do subscribe and press the bell icon beside. Ta-ta!